Hello and welcome to video number 7, which is connecting your payment processors. Now, as long as you have a PayPal account, you can use JVZoo. With a PayPal account, you can do a number of things, such as when the payments come in, if you have a partner, you can split that payment between you and your partner. And if the refund happens, the money will be pulled out. Or if you have an affiliate, you can do instant payments where the money will be split and paid out throughout. Now, you can only do that with PayPal. If you do that with Stripe or you integrate it with Stripe, you have to manually do a lot of the payments. So back in the day, decades ago, what we had to do with PayPal was we would have to disperse the money. But everything is automatic, which is awesome. There's less time spent and you can focus more on selling your product, getting more products up, and running. So that's the beauty with JVZoo. Now, having a Stripe account is good and highly recommended addition, because what we found over the years is, yes, most of your sales might be coming from PayPal, depending on your niche, or sometimes most of your payments will be coming from Stripe. But in certain niches, what we found is by offering both, you actually will gain more money, because some people don't want to use their PayPal account and they may not have enough money in their PayPal account, but they have enough money on their credit card that they'll be willing to spend. So by not offering Stripe, for example, you might be losing money in the long term. So with that said, let me show you more in detail. So obviously, before you can integrate your payment to your JVZoo, you will need to have a paypal.com account, a business account, and you will need to have a Stripe account. So you will need to have those in hand before you can actually apply these to your JVZoo account. So to do that, once you have that in hand, you go to My Account and Payment Profiles, and you're going to see this page. Now, to the right here, you see Configure Now. If you click Configure Now, pretty self-explanatory, but you just enter your PayPal email and you'll be sent to this page. You'll be able to configure and connect your PayPal account. That's it. You go back to this page, you click on Configure Now, and it's going to ask you for your secret key and your publishable key. And to get that, you need to have a Stripe account. So they'll give you instructions on how to do that. Once you're done with that, you're done. That's how easy it is to integrate your payment profiles. You just have to have it in hand.